So in this video we're going to be doing a fairly simple cinematic color grade by working with Lightroom's spot edits by adding some color contrast to a fairly bland photo. So to begin with, we're just going to do some basic exposure and contrast fixes here real quickly to start it off. I'm going to go to curves, add some contrast to the photo. Let me just make sure. I'm going to go and raise the black point a bit for a faded look. I'm going to go to effects, add some clarity as it looks nice on wet windows quite often. I'm going to add some vignette just to isolate our subject a bit more, and a little bit of dehaze helps bring out the details. But as we've done doing the initial first edits, now we can add a graduated filter to the right side of the photo and go and decrease the temperature here to introduce a color contrast, blue and orange color contrast that looks nice and is often found in cinematic situations, and I'm sure you've seen many movie posters and scenes with that same color combination. As we've added it, we can go and edit the individual colors to make them a bit more pleasing, a bit more styled to our liking. Can edit the hue to change the color of the color. The oranges can be a bit more red for increased contrast. And after that, you can fine-tune the edit. I would add a graduated filter here, not for color, but simply for removing some distracting details from the lower part of the photo by decreasing the exposure from the lower part. But that is pretty much the edit. So hopefully that's a useful tip. If you use it, try to make it subtle, as with every edit. If it's too obvious, then it looks like something has obviously been altered and people will pick up on something looking unnatural. So it has to be graduated, and it doesn't work for every photo, but it's something that is fun to experiment with. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do all the YouTube things like thumbs up and stuff. Thanks for watching, and bye.